Hey guys, it's Marissa here. So happy Sunday if you are watching it today. Um, so I wanted to just come on and introduce myself to a lot of my new followers. My name is Marissa Thompson. I am the founder of Fab Beauty. I have a background in office administration, accounting, and I have a second business as a business trainer, a business consultant. So I teach other entrepreneurs how to start their businesses. So that's one business. But my passion, my creativity is truly in Fab Beauty. This is where everything started for me. And it's not just a business for me, it's truly something that I enjoy doing. It is something that started with just me doing products for myself, for my hair, that worked for my hair, that I learned um, during my natural hair journey. When I started my natural hair journey. My son is 8, so about 9, between 9 to 10 years ago. I've been natural for 9, 10 years now. It's been a long journey, but like I encourage all naturals to be consistent, be persistent, and just work with what works for you. So today I wanted to come on and introduce myself. Like I said, my name is Marissa Thompson. I wanted to also tell you guys that if you are not following me, please follow me. Please, help a girl out. Help a girl out. You know. But I truly appreciate everyone who come and view my videos, who like my posts. Make sure share, help a girl out. Help me out, please. And I do follow back, so please help a girl out. But today I wanted to come on. Every week I'm going to try to come on and share some tips, tricks, some advice on natural hair that can help my fellow naturalists. So I wanted to share my products, the benefits of using them, ways to use them, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if this video is long, please bear with me. But anyway, okay, so we have the shampoo, the hydrating um shampoo. So our hydrating shampoo is it's a thick shampoo, very lathery. I often tell people when you want to do a deep shampoo, use our shampoo. When you have a lot of buildup, use our shampoo. If you don't have a lot of buildup, it's best to just do a co-wash method, which is using our conditioner, which also has rosehip oil in it. Our shampoo and conditioner has a lavender scent in it. Everything for me, when it comes to Fab Beauty, our focus is focusing on women. Yes, I do have male customers, and they know that I focus on women, but they still support my business, and I appreciate them. But I focus on women, helping them to relax and also maintain a healthy hair goal. So you'll notice with a lot of my products, I have scents. I have a lot of rose hip. I have a lot of um, tea tree oil, rosemary oil stuff in my products to really help to stimulate your scalp. But also, when you smell those fragrance, it really helps to relax your body. And we as women, we go through a lot each and every day. We have to deal with a lot. And I just thought that was something that's important. It's important to me. So I thought that other women, they would find it important too. So these are the shampoo and the conditioner that we have in stock, and all of our products can be purchased in the Bahamas at this time. But my US customers, y'all just stay tuned because we can see what God doing, because I'm working on some stuff. Okay, so like I said, with the shampoo is really for build up, cleansing your hair, and then when you follow with the conditioner helps to bring back the moisture to your hair. What else I have? Because I did leave something out. Then we have, after you wash and condition your hair, some people use the regular conditioner. Some people just head straight over to our leave-in conditioner. Our leave-in conditioner is the new baby to our collection. And the leave-in conditioner also is can be also used as a detangler. So let's just say you washed your hair and now you still have a lot of detangling to do. The leave-in conditioner is going to help you to finish detangle. So as you put it in and you work it through, just use your hands to continue to detangle in sections depending on your hair length. So, and the reason why I choose to make sure the leave-in conditioner has a detangle with it, making it more custardy, is because I find that as our natural hair is very friendly, especially us in the Bahamas. Our hair, we have different textures, but our hair is very friendly. And like I say, Fab Beauty is all about relaxation and convenience for our customers. So, because I'm a busy mom and wife, of course, I want some products that's going to help to speed up the process with my natural hair journey, help me to speed it up when it comes to styling on my wash days. So, that's why we came in with the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner has aloe vera in it, shea butter, almond oil, and all of our products, like I say, and it has a nice orangey scent to it, like an orange, a citrus scent. So, like I say, all of our products aim to help you guys, so you don't be inconvenienced, help to relax you because you had a busy day, and just to help you with your healthy hair growth. So, our next products are our treatments. Our treatments are the hibiscus treatment that we have in stock and our protein treatment. So, these two treatments I often tell my clients when they DM me, it's dependent on your hair condition. If you have very damaged and brittle hair, I would put you on the protein first because every natural should have protein treatments in their regimen. Your hair may not be as damaged, so you may not need to implement protein treatment in your regimen as often, but everyone should have protein treatment in their regimen. So if my client is saying that their hair is really dry and brittle, or they have thin edges or whatever, I always recommend that they start off with the protein treatment so that we could strengthen the hair, we could get it back shiny, strong. We could help to loosen up the curls because we have henna in this, we have shea butter, we have coconut oil in this. So it helps to really strengthen the hair. So I often tell my clients, start off with the protein treatment. Let's get you on this every 2 weeks when you do your wash day. Make sure leave it in the first time you leave it in. Make sure do it on a day that you have nothing to do so that you can leave it in all day. So that's just say if you put it on at 9, I want you to wash it out at 5. If you can leave it in overnight, that's even better. Definitely for the initial treatment, and then every other one after that you could probably just leave it in half day because I know we're busy, but if you could leave it in for 8 hours, that would be great. So after they use the protein treatment and they've already strengthened their hair sufficiently, then they can just go into using the hibiscus treatment. Now for my girls who don't have um brittle dry hair, they may say, well, Marissa, I just want a good treatment right now because the protein treatment is 18 and the hibiscus is 15. So then if their hair is healthy but they just want to strengthen it and they just want to have a good treatment to really help define the curls and to just really do all what our treatments do when it comes to giving us healthy hair, I just start them off with the hibiscus treatment and let them just work their way from there, and then later on we could implement the protein treatment in later down because they just want to get started depending on the stuff that they're getting and their budget. So we could hit you up with the hibiscus treatment. Now the holy grail, this is the foundation of Fab Beauty. This is Fab Beauty's first product that I was making for myself to use at home, and then I started to share it with friends and family, and it went from there. Even when I stopped and I took a break from pushing my hair care business, I still had customers who would come and make this so that they can definitely still have it in their regimen. And this is our smooth as butter moisturizer. It can be used on your hair and your body. This is my baby hair for me. For me, this is something that is a must, that has to be in my regimen. I use it. I'm in a house full of boys. My husband and my two boys use it. They don't use grease. They use the moisturizer for their hair. The thing is with the moisturizer, after you wash your hair, after you condition your hair, you follow up with the moisturizer. The moisturizer then seals in all of the water moisture in your hair. This is what helps to seal your hair and helps your hair to stay strengthened, help your hair to stay shiny and to avoid the dryness. Now, what I often tell my clients is how I use it is, this is my hair. What I'll do, let's just say my hair, I wear it out today like this, and then I notice tonight it's brittle, it feels dry. So I would just get my spray bottle with water, spray my hair. Sometimes my spray bottle is just plain water. Sometimes I have the growth oil in it, a little growth oil in it, because sometimes I just need a little bit of oil. So I'll just spray my hair with it. I would get the moisturizer, put some in, rub it on my hand like lotion. That's why I say it's smooth as butter, because once you put it in your hand, it melts. It truly just like melts in your hand. So I would take some, rub it in, let it melt on my hand, and then I would just take the section and I would just rub. I would just drag it like this, get it in good. Now with your hair wet, it's going to help to finish detangling your hair if you have more detangling. So what I do, I just go like that on that section, make sure it's clear, and spritz my water like I said first, and then I just take that section and I plait it. Either if you're doing plaits or two strand twist, but mostly me, I just do two strands twist. I'll just twist those sections, and then I tie my hair and go to bed. Next morning, loose it out. It's shiny, it's not dry, and I could just carry on with my day. So that's how I use it. And I often moisturize my hair every 3 to 4 days, depending on how I, maintain it, how I wear it throughout the day, and based on the weather. So that is the smoothest smoothest butter moisturizer. So then we have our growth oil. Let me see if I could get it in there. Yes. So our growth oil has over 10 oils and herbs infused in it. Our growth oil is something that takes a period of between 4 to 6 weeks to infuse, because it's very important for me to make sure that our herbs soak into the oil very well. A lot of you noticed that I used to sell another growth oil from another brand, but based on my research, I've researched a lot on oils and the benefits of them and the herbs, and I started and I created my own growth oil that I'm so proud and loving it. Now the growth oil I recommend for my clients to use, depending on your scalp. For me, my scalp doesn't dry, and it's good for itchy scalps. My scalp doesn't dry as often and doesn't itch that much, so I don't have to use the growth oil on my scalp on a regular basis. I use it like maybe once or twice a week. For me personally, that's just my preference. My preference is more just using the moisturizer more for me. But every once or twice a week, I would just take it and I would just, as I have the twists in my hair, I would grease all of my scalp. And I definitely always hit my sides, because I just naturally have a little thinning. Thinning, and I just massage it in and I just carry on with my day. Most people, I tell them, depending on their thinning when it comes to their scalp, to use it daily, depending on it. And it's very light, so you don't have to use a lot of it. I don't believe in just saturating your scalp with a bunch of oils because your scalp still have to breathe, you know. So make sure you don't over grease your scalp. Make sure that if you have braids in your hair, which I normally, for me, when I have braids in my hair, that's when I use my growth oil the most in the year. Anytime I have braids in my hair, because obviously it's flat up, I can't use the moisturizer, so I'll use the um the growth oil. So for me, I recommend to my clients, if you have your hair braided, or if your hair is weaved, or let's just say you keep your hair in cornrows and you wear whole wigs, use the growth oil to grease your scalp, and then every few days or every week, if you're not going to take the braids out, get a towel, a little washcloth, damp it, put a little bit of water in a bowl with a little bit of conditioner, just a little dime of the conditioner, and you take the washcloth and you clean your scalp, because putting oil right on dirty scalp, you have buildup in your scalp, and you're just gonna put oil. That's defeating the purpose. You have to make sure you use the towel and clean your scalp like you're giving it a little wash, and then put the oil on. Because let's just say, I know some girls, they keep their braids in from month time or 2 months time, depending on their preference. You need to clean your scalp and then put the growth oil in, so that the growth oil can really go and penetrate the scalp. Okay, so that is the growth oil for you guys. I also have some people, yeah, some people just prefer the hibiscus. So we have the hibiscus oil that we make, and obviously it's infused with aloe vera, almond oil, and it has fresh hibiscus in it that is infused. So some people just prefer to focus on the thickness of their hair because they already have healthy hair, and they just really want to work on the thickness, so they more gravitate to the hibiscus oil, which you should use the same way that I described the growth oil, depending on your hairstyles. And then we have the bentonite clay, which is another form of treatment that you guys, that is good for your hair, to put in your hair every so. And then some people, they don't care to do the whole bentonite clay, mixing it in a bowl with water or apple cider vinegar, and then applying it to their hair, letting it dry and get hard, and then washing it out. Some people don't care to do that. So we've put the bentonite clay and turmeric into a soap bar, and in the soap bar you can just lather it up, and it's also good for your face. So you just lather it up and just wash and clean your scalp, and do a little bit on your face too, so that is pretty much it. Oh, we have one more thing, another new collection, the bed oil for our gents. We have our bed oil in, that is so good. It's unscented, of course. So those are the things that we have in. Those are our products. Those are the ways that I normally recommend my clients to use them. And then that is it. So if you are new to my page, thank you so much for stopping by, watching my video. My name is Marissa Thompson. Make sure comment, like, subscribe, follow wherever you are watching me from. I appreciate you. I love you so much for supporting me. Thank you guys so much. Bye.